How to get new users on Temu. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to your Temu account. So launch the application. And then here, what you're going to do is to go to your home. Okay. And then after that, go to you. Tap this one here. Now, if you haven't installed this one yet, then you have to install this application. Now, if you can't see this feature, earn credits and free gifts, you have to change first your country or location. To do that, go to your settings, go to country and region, and change it into US. Okay? Or create a new account if you want. Now, go back to earn credits and free gifts and choose any of the rewards here. So let's just say, let's pick this redeem cash, tap continue. Okay, and what you're going to do here is to simply follow Temu's instruction in order for you to redeem your cash or redeem your reward on PayPal. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and what you're going to do is to tap this refer to your friends. Okay, copy your code. Then what you're going to do here is to open a notepad. Paste this one here. And this time, you can now easily edit everything here because this one is what you're going to post on your any social media account so that your friends will download Timo and use your code. Okay, so let me put a title first. For example, how to get discounts on Timo. Okay, of course, we should do this step one. Step one is they have to go to App Store or Google Store to install this application or download Team. Now, step two is they have to create their account, create a new account or make a new account. Okay, and they should change their location to US as much as possible. Now, step three is they just have to go to their team application and use this code here. Okay, that is your code. And if they're going to use this one, then of course you will get your reward. Enter this code in the search icon. Now, step four, they can now collect the rewards. So after doing all the steps here, they can get the rewards and they just have to choose any of the rewards there. As easy as that. So this is it. And what you're going to do is to simply save this, or if you want to save this as picture, all you have to do is to screenshot this one. Now what you're going to do is to post this to any of your social media accounts, for example, Instagram or TikTok. But this time, we're going to use Instagram. So you can post it or you can add this to your story if you want. Okay, so to do that, you just have to go to your Instagram account and then click add story. Then, of course, if your friends see this, then what you're going to do is to follow these instructions here. So in that way, you can get new users on Temu. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.